Unlocking the meaning of affirm my commitment. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, affirm my commitment. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning new words. It's about grasping a concept that's widely used in both personal and professional contexts. So, let's embark on this journey together to decode its meaning and usage. The phrase, affirm my commitment, consists of three key words, each carrying significant weight in conveying the overall meaning. Affirm means to state something as a fact strongly and publicly. My is a possessive pronoun, indicating that the commitment is personal. Commitment refers to a promise or firm decision to do something. When combined, these words create a powerful expression of dedication and resolve. This phrase is commonly used in scenarios where you need to reassure others of your dedication to a cause, project, or relationship. It's a formal expression, often found in written speeches, official documents, or serious discussions. In a professional setting, you might use it during a meeting to reassure your team of your dedication to a project. In personal relationships, it can be used to express your unwavering dedication to supporting a loved one. Public statements. Public figures often use it to express their dedication to certain causes or principles. To fully grasp the phrase's usage, let's look at some examples. Professional commitment. Today, I stand before you to affirm my commitment to leading our company towards greater sustainability. Personal dedication. I want to affirm my commitment to our relationship, promising to support you through thick and thin. Social causes. We affirm our commitment to fighting for equality and justice for all communities. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning behind affirm my commitment. This phrase is a powerful tool for expressing dedication, whether in personal endeavors, professional tasks, or public statements. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and will help you use the phrase confidently in your own life. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words. It's about connecting with people and ideas on a deeper level. See you in our next video.